Hello kids, how are you? Hope you will be fine and safe. So let's start today's topic.
Today's topic is Shri Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi is the 14th Prime Minister of India, was elected in the year 2014. Narendra Modi was born in the year 1950 on the 17th of September. His father's name was Moolchand Modi and his mother's name is Hiraben Modi. Narendra Modi is widely popular because of his humble beginning as a tea seller in the railway station of Gujarat. Narendra Modi is one of the most popular Prime Minister in India after Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. He is known to take tough decisions to fight corruption and terrorism in India. Narendra Modi won the second term as the Prime Minister in 2019 with even more misery than what was obtained in the year 2014. Narendra Modi was a member of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, which is an ideological aim of BJP. Narendra Modi has one of the highest followers on Twitter and Instagram among world leaders. He is the only government that has no strong opposition in the parliament. His decision to lock down India to prevent the spread of coronavirus in the country is held by people all over the world. All Indians are proud to have a such leader like Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister. Many thanks for watching complete video. Thank you for watching.